We have been awarded the Bronze Award and are currently working towards our silver.
Why is it important to learn Welsh?
If someone says Boradachi, you can say Boradaba.
It's an important part of our history.
We live in Wales. Why do we enjoy learning Welsh?
You could teach other people how to speak Welsh. There's games on the iPad that can help you learn Welsh.
Is it an exciting language to learn?
At home I speak Polish with my mum.
My mum thinks Welsh is an important part of our education.
Croeso I Gwenty's Coed. Dewch i weld beth mae dysgu Cymraeg yn ei olygu i ni. Cyfleoedd newydd fel stalio yn y canacto am yr Eisteddfod Awyr.
Dwi'n siarad Sbaeneg a Saesneg.
Dwi'n siarad Pwlag a Saesneg.
Rydw i'n siarad Cyd-Ysgrifennu a Saesneg. Roeddwn i'n nerfus am dysgu Cymraeg.
A rydyn ni'n cael a lot o hwyl.
Ac wedi gwneud ffrindiau newydd.
Trwy darllen, siarad a chwarae.
Dewch i ymuno gyda hwyl, mae Cymraeg i'n barn.
Castle stand tall, with history embedded in the walls. Ymhlith mynyddoedd, rugged mountains, grass-green hills, cennin Pedyr. We have pride in our country, pride in our nation. Hendeidiau, Cymraeg ydyn ni. Bachder. To be born